Hello everyone, today I'm going to show how to make font in Microsoft Office Word. The font section contains tools that format your text, including changing font and text size, bold, italics, underline text, structure, sub or superscript, highlighting or changing text color, and text effect, and changing font and text size. Click the left hand drop down menu to change the font. Scroll to view all available fonts and click to select your choice to change the font of existing text. Highlight the text first, then click the drop down menu and select the desired font. And click the right hand drop down menu to change the text size. Yes, and select the desired size or click in the text box to manually type a specific size. You can also use the icons to the right of the text box to either increase text size or decrease text size. That very simple is to editing existing size. Select the text before changing the size. The symbol is A. Like this. Okay, and bold, italicize, and underline text. So bold, select the B symbol to type bold text. And to bold existing text, select the text first, then select the symbol B. This is the bold. And italicize, select the I symbol to type italicized text. To italicize existing text, select the text first, then select the italicized symbol or I. And next, underline. Select the U to underline text as you type. To underline existing text, select the text, then select the U symbol. To change the style or color of the underlines, select the drop down menu and choose the desired style. Like this. Other font tools: strike through. Select the F symbol to strike through text as you type. To strike through the existing text, select the text first, then select the edge. Like this. And the next subscript example, select the X2 to type a subscript. To change existing text to subscript, select the text first, then select the X2 like this. If you see student, yes, like this. And in superscript example, select the X, the rest to type a superscript. To change existing text to a superscript, select the text first, then select the X is opposed to, and the other highlighting. Select the existing text that you wish to highlight and click the highlighter icon. To change the color of the highlighter, click the drop down menu and select the desired color. Just like this. Choose the color. Okay. And the other, changing text color. Select the drop down menu by the text color icon and choose a theme color, standard color, or customize the shade by clicking more colors. To change the color of existing text, select the text first, then choose the color. Background of the series like red or black, or change any color. Like this. And the other, adding text effect. Select the drop menu by the A symbol and choose the desired effect like this. To add effects on existing text, select the text first, then select the desired effect. You see background of the series, then adding text effect, and the other and the last, changing text case. To change text case, select the drop menu by the A capital N small a symbol icon and choose from sentence case, lowercase, uppercase, capitalize each word, or toggle case. To change the case of existing text, select the text first and then choose the desired case. Like this.